Alright guys, basically, spring plate, I was able to maneuver it on. I gotta bolt it up. Then I gotta throw in the shock, which literally will not fit. So, we'll just do this side, bolt it back up, jump to the other side, try to get it done. Let's slam this bitch. Alright, spring plate back on. Suspension, all bolted up, all nice. No shock still, because I know this is gonna bottom out right away. And, about to put the wheel on. So give me a sec. Alright guys, I gotta admit, I'm really happy with how this looks. Like, it doesn't look like much, really. But I mean, like, the bug has so much wheel gap. It's not even funny. Like, that, compared to this, like that's 4 fingers right there. 4 fingers. Up there, that's like, it's like a foot and a half. I am so pumped. I'm about to put the car on the ground, and we'll see how it looks. Oh, fuck. Alright, let's see how it goes. Holy shit! Holy fucking shit! I'm totally sticking with this. Holy fuck! Yes! That is what I want. Yeah! Oh my god, guys. Like, look at that. Now that is what I'm fucking talking about. There's no 2 fingers in there. Look at that. Hey, 2 fingers? No, you're hitting the top. Damn! And that's actually, like, somewhat functional. Look at that. We are, like... Alright, it's hard to see, but, fucking... Like, my jack is full low, and I've got maybe a 1/4 inch. Like, that's not even a pump. This is all the way down. Guys, so if you're a sloppy mechanic like I am, you oftentimes get a large mess below your vehicle, tools and all kinds of nonsense. Well, I just lowered the bug on top of my catch can for all the oil the bug's leaked, which is a lot. So I had to raise it back up. Now, I've got this Perch Scooper 9000. It works really, really well when you get in and under there. You just reach it in, and you just start pulling. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at all that. Oh, here. There's so much good stuff down here. Oh, don't want to catch the wiring. And then you just keep going. Oh, that makes you feel a lot better. So you can put the Perch Scooper 9000 away now and proceed to slamming your bug. Alright guys. Popping off the shocks and then straight up to moving the spring plates. Ah, shit. Oh yeah, I've already taken the liberty of removing the fender bolts, so you can see that bitch moves quite easily. Boys, I was lowering the bug. I ran into a little emergency. I needed Kia's help. I thought I dropped it 4 inches. I dropped it 6. Like, the engine? Like, look at that. Holy shit. Like, oh my god. So I was, I had it up on the driveway. Had it on that actual little, crank jack. Crank jack fell over, car rolled down the driveway. I scraped the hell out of my fenders. But now we got 2 jacks. We're gonna try to jack it and push it. Okay, so we're back out of the bug. It's another day. As you guys probably saw, that was way too friggin' low. So I have taken the liberty to already pop everything apart on this side. Got a torsion bar sticking out. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reset the torsion bar. As you can see, this line right here is where I had the car sitting when it was on the ground. This was where stock was. So I'm going to actually try to put it like directly in the middle of these two. But before I do that, these are some old crusty bushings. I have a full set of urethane to go on this. And no, I didn't order the bushings right now. I already had them. To be honest, too afraid to order anything, so that's why I haven't been running it too much, because pisses oil, as you can see the rag. So we are out with the old, and we're in with the new. Look at that. And for once, it's not Chinese. So I'm gonna take some time clean out this crusty hole. It is nice and dirty. As you can see, beautiful red urethane bushing in there on the spring arm. Beautiful red bushing. Clean this up a little bit. Yeah, it's not perfect, but I mean, slide in there all fine. So as you can see, red urethane bushings. Finally got this thing lined up. Jesus, was that hard. I've got it directly, oh, you can't see anymore, but the line used to be somewhere down here. So right in the middle. I'm actually this time, where are we? This time I'm actually going to throw in the shock. I'm just going to compress it real low because, as you can see, still not much room for that bump stop. But this should do better. Hopefully when the suspension settles, I'll have the drop I want. Because before, I showed you guys, but that motor right there, like these tubes, they scraped on the ground and went out of the driveway. So I was going to put the cover back on, and I noticed something kind of weird. There was a little rust pocket in the little sidewall while I was sanding. And as I sanded more and more, it started crumbling. And it's hard to see, but if you look at that, right there in that little crevice, I'm going to take my screwdriver. That's all sand. So my wonder is, because if you look over here, that's all, well, it's rust, but it's still, there's metal there. I was wondering if this was a flaw from the factory, if somehow when this was casted, the sand got in. Honestly, I have no friggin' idea. But if anybody has any ideas, leave them in the comments. So, I'm in the middle of a garage clean, so it's getting fucking hard to find all my bolts. So I keep having to dump bins of bolts everywhere, just to find little things like top mount bolt for the strut. Oh, it's not a strut, it's a shock. Anyways, I'm going to keep bolting up and do the other side, and we'll see how low it is. Alright guys, so sanded up the spring plate a bit. You can see how bad. So I've kind of figured out at least what I think is up. Moisture got locked underneath the surface, just started rusting away. So if you look at this pocket, it's hard to see. Let's make it some light. Pocket actually goes all the way down where you see all that bubbling. So if I tap that with my hammer 2-3 times, all of that will be gone, the whole sidewall. And honestly, I don't want that right now. Like, there's a reasonable amount of thickness. I mean, my finger can kind of break it, but I gotta replace this, so that's why I didn't really sand it up too nice, just enough to be good enough. Spring plate's going back on. It's really weird putting a new bushing on there. So if you watch, if I can do this one-handed, it's pretty firm. I don't know if I got any of that, but it's hard to actually seat on the bushing. Anyways, I'm gonna mess with this, and then we'll move on to the other side. Yet again, other side, completely taken apart. I just want to quickly show you guys how actually nice these bushings fit in. I'm not used to actual good parts, but if I can figure out which one, oh, shit. There we go. But watch how nice these just go on. Like, they're absolutely, like, these are perfect. Like, look at that. It just went right in. No issues. I love this. Alright, bushings are in. It's got the, I always call it the trailing arms. I can never pick what I want to call this. But the trailing arms bolted up. Yet again, I saw a big bubble patch. Couldn't help but hit the hammer with it. Full of rust pellets. That fucking sand looking shit. Look at that. Oh my god. These need to be replaced. Like that, like it's straight through all this. Like, if I hit this with a hammer once, it'd all crumble. And I'm trying to keep these intact. But I'm not gonna order anything during this coronavirus. None of this is essential. Like, I want to finish my car, yeah. Feels pretty essential to me, but there's better shit to be doing. Better reasons to be saving money. Alright guys, so come back down. Look at that. Everything's back together. I have the shock in. You can see the urethane bushing kind of. That's kind of cool. Bolted up. CV boot's leaking now because I had the suspension so low down. This side buttoned up too. So I'm gonna grab the wheels and then we'll throw them on. Also, this wheel is fucking destroyed. Like, alright, all my VW guys out there, who agrees that lug bolts suck? My god, it's terrible putting wheels on a car when they're up in the air. As you guys probably saw, the tire looked a little low, like I can squish it a little bit. I just don't want to overfill it because I have no idea how old these tires are. For all I know, they could have been a spare or an original. Alright boys, so time to put it on the ground. Now give yourself a peace of mind, the bushings are brand new, so the car will settle more over the next couple of days. But this will give us a good idea where we're sitting to let me know if we need to go higher or lower. Last time was way too low. I got the car stuck in the middle of the road when it by accident rolled out of the driveway. So I'm hoping, one, this car doesn't roll the driveway again, because the Honda's right there. Two, I'm hoping it's just right, you know, the perfect fitment. Obviously, you can't really get great fitment with these wheels, but don't worry, they're not permanent. I do kind of like them though. Alright, down we go boys. How did I do it again? What? This makes no sense. It went lower. What the fuck? Okay. So I don't know if you guys remember, but the torsion bar, or the, whatever you want to call it, the thing here, I moved it back up a couple notches, so I showed you. Why is this lower? Well, I don't think it's lower because I can pull the jack out, but oh my god, I can't pull the jack out. I can't, it's not even, it's still supported by the jack. No. What the hell? Oh, I obviously have no idea what I'm doing. I mean, let's see. It is higher than before, but I mean, like, that looks like more tuck now. Like, oh my god. Shit. Okay, I want everybody to leave in the comments what the hell they think I did wrong, because okay, no, honestly, it is a little higher. I will give it that. Like, it's about 4 fingers off the ground. Don't ignore this. I have a really bad, as you can see, a paper seal that's just pissing. But leave in the comments what you think I did fucking wrong, because either I didn't raise it enough, because that thing is, that's dumped. This is with the jack out, but still, like, got the high rake now. Give you a little better look of the bug. Like, honestly, I kind of dig the style, but I mean, it has to come up a bit more. Like, it just looks bad. Especially the rake. That'll be fixed. Also, when the bug went down the driveway into the street, ended up really screwing that up. But anyways, just the look from the back. Oh my god, this thing would be so cool on air. Anyways, guys, I hope you fucking like the bug. Let me know what you think. Well, guys, that was the video. Yeah, I'm pretty much an idiot. Like, did one thing, spent the entire day slamming it, fucked up royally, bug rolled out of the garage, got stuck on my road. My parents and neighbors pissed off about bringing people over during quarantine to the back of the garage. Adjusted the suspension again with new bushings. It's sitting low as fuck, and I just realized the bushings haven't settled. Anyways, guys, tough times you're going through right now. I hope this entertained anybody. I hope anybody's going through hard times is finding a way through it. Hopefully everybody's healthy and doing well. It's really tough right now. Try to keep busy. I mean, like, I'm staying happy working on the bug, working a lot at work, but I mean, hey, all goes here. So yet again, thank you for watching the video. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what I did wrong. Let me know what you want to see more of. Let me know if you want me to keep it this height and just dump the front too. I'm down for whatever. I love low. I gotta be honest. But anyways, if you don't mind, like, comment, subscribe, watch some more. We got a long time of doing nothing, so try to keep you entertained.